Hello and welcome to Hackathon Labs. I'm Mr. Hackathon and I teach you how to build digital solutions. In this video, we are going to explore creating expressive voiceovers for your videos to try to earn passive income. I will show you a couple examples of this in action. So first, I am going to show you 11 labs and the expressive voices that they now have in their V3 models.
In the ancient land of Eldoria, where skies shimmered and forests whispered secrets to the wind, lived a dragon named Zephyros. Not the burn-it-all-down kind, but he was gentle, wise, with eyes like old stars. Even the birds fell silent when he passed.
You notice these words in the square brackets, and these words are called audio tags. And these audio tags, or I think they're maybe emotion tags, they tell the AI model how to say the word. And this is the power of 11v3, which is currently in alpha. Now, how can you make money with this? People are blowing up social media channels, creating really interesting and engaging AI videos. Now, Instagram and YouTube are cracking down on AI channels. But what I want you to know is that if your content is original and it has some creativity in some way, they can allow it. We're going to take a look at this channel. The AI Bible currently has over 300,000 subscribers, almost over 400 videos. If we take a look at this video here, what we have is a video probably made in Kling or another tool and an expressive AI voiceover.
I was on exile here, on the island of Patmos. My crime was testifying to the name of Jesus. It was the Lord's day. Wind pressed the sea into hard, dark plates.
We have the creative AI voiceovers with, and I think some are not all of them are AI voiceovers, but we have the creative AI voiceover with this a complemented with this AI video telling unique stories of the Bible. We are going to do something similar. What we're going to do is use Kling, and because I don't have unlimited credits on this particular platform, we are going to use one of the videos that it already has here. I found the video right here. So I'm going to download this video and just use this video. I am going to create an expressive voiceover for this particular video. What you can see here is Google's Gemini, and I'm having a conversation with Gemini to create a script for this scene to do the voiceover. So all I did is give an image of this right here, and I asked it to do a script for the scene. There is some back and forth to try and improve the script. Once I have a script I like, what I do is ask it to put audio tags. What it can do is put the audio tags there, or we can do that manually ourselves. What we then going to do, and you can either do this here in 11labs.io/v3. We can go here. I'm going to paste. and we can test it here, or you can just go to login and you can go to the platform and test it right here, where you have more customization of the voice. What we have our text here, and what we can do if we change the model to 11v3, what we can do is see if we go to voice library, I think it's voice libraries, or best voices for v3. We can see the best voices for v3. All of these ones with the gold tick are premium, but if we scroll down, we do have some that are not premium. So if I just try Chris, and then I hit generate speech,
A blinding, dusty day. The Great Pyramid, it's right there, but it stands in the background, dwarfed by this massive new, unfinished structure, a colossal seated pharaoh. See how it's currently enveloped by a chaotic web of wooden scaffolding? And that's not even the strangest part.
so we have our voiceover. We could improve this a lot, and you might write this originally yourself, or you might use AI to write this. I would want to improve this a lot. If we go back to Gemini, my initial prompt to get the script, if I try and go all the way up, my initial prompt to get the script wasn't great. I asked it to create a short script for the scene. It probably wasn't what I wanted. So I should have given it a better prompt to get this voiceover. Or I should have just wrote it myself. So I have downloaded the audio. I'm going to go to what I like to use is CapCut. You can use Canva, you can use CapCut. While CapCut is loading, what we're going to do is download this video if we can. Hopefully we can download it. Yeah. Downloaded it without the audio. Now in CapCut, what I'm going to do is just drag my video here. So I got my video, and I'm going to drag my audio. I got my audio, and you can actually see the audio is a lot longer than a video. The CapCut video is only 10 seconds, and the audio looks to be maybe about 22 seconds. So we're going to play this.
A blinding, dusty day. The Great Pyramid, it's right there, but it stands in the background, dwarfed by this massive new, unfinished structure, a colossal seated pharaoh.
So we have our video and we have our voiceover. And if we wanted to add some background music, especially with CapCut, we could go to, I think it's up here, audio somewhere. We have audio, we have music. I don't think it will have any audio that we might want natively. Maybe, okay, we might go with that. Just for the sake of the video, we'll go with that. It can allow us to adjust.
A blinding, dusty day. The Great Pyramid, it's right there, but it stands in the background, dwarfed by this massive new, unfinished structure, a colossal seated pharaoh.
So what I might try to do here, and hopefully I have enough credits to do this, is I am going to remove the rest of that audio with the voiceover. I am going to cut this and maybe fade out if I can. So I want to fade out a little bit. And now I want about 5 seconds extra. So we're going to try and get 5 seconds extra video. So I am going to hit recreate, potentially. Let's see if recreate is the right thing. Okay. So what I'm going to do is hopefully, so I have my end frame here, and what I'm going to say is I want the scene to continue. So that's my start frame. I'm just going to let it end where it's going to end. And I'm going to say a giant pulls a large chariot loaded with rock. And I'm going to say the camera is doing a 360 pan. So I do have 70 credits. I don't need 10 seconds. I'll take only 5 seconds. Oh, it's saying it's taking 35 credits to produce. So hopefully I have enough. Okay, so I have enough. We are going to generate. You can change the model up here at the top. So you can see max creativity with exceptional value. You have all these different models you can use, and they consume a different amount of credits each time. Our video is ready. We're going to play this. Okay. So I will take that video. It's not a bad video, it's okay. And I'm going to add that to my scene. What I'm going to do is mute this. So I want to go to audio and just remove that audio. I'll silence it completely. I also want the music to go all the way to the end. And so this is a very, very quick voiceover video.
A blinding, dusty day. The Great Pyramid, it's right there, but it stands in the background, dwarfed by this massive new, unfinished structure, a colossal seated pharaoh.
And this is 15 seconds of what could be a 10-minute, 20-minute, 30-minute video with AI voiceover. Or you can focus on doing shorts and doing really, really effective short stories that are maybe 10 seconds, 20 seconds. I hope you enjoyed this introduction to 11v3 and audio tags, and I look forward to seeing what you create.